Styled in Italy, yet proudly American, Atlas Concorde USA provides timeless ceramic tiles and decors to express your design aesthetic or inspire a new one. Rediscover our Fray collection for a fabric look with a comfortable, understated mood. Explore the enticing new colors, effects, decors, and sizes that enhance this collection. Developed with fabric linen immersed into chalk, Fray fits most modern and transitional styles. It provides a delicate elegance fused with an urban appeal. This recent evolution includes 4 new shades and an enriched graphic that weaves in a metallic-glossy effect for select colors. The new colors, sizes, and mosaic patterns have people talking about this coveted collection.
We are really excited about the Fray line of ceramic tiles. They are large format, which is perfect for covering spaces quickly, minimizing grout lines. We also love that they have a cove base that simplifies and streamlines the color story, but also for some good practicality. We love the pearl, love the sand, and can't wait to get this in one of our homes.
Fray now delivers the widest color palette in our product offering, including extended neutral tones range of color. This collection now offers all the most sought-after sizes, as well as inspiring new decors with fresh mosaic patterns. Explore Fray and the other inspiring collections at atlasconcordeusa.com.